Whew, good morning. It's a little chilly. So this is before Christmas. The end of this video will be after Christmas, just so we are aware. Just got a couple things going on today. Oh, there we are. So apparently we are going to get some snow. So we don't know if that's going to entail ice and all that stuff. It sounds like a fairly bad weather coming. So we're going to get the generator on the 806. We're going to do the 806 in the old shop where it's warm, because she is cold-blooded. Hopefully she starts. We'll see. I don't know if that's going to be warm enough for it or not. We will find out right now. You guys to flip. Really? So since we got the head done on this tractor and all that fun stuff, this thing is cold-blooded. It's been plugged in since yesterday. And she still really didn't seem to want to start. I know some people like to put some nose candy to her, but I don't really like starting tractors that way. Maybe I got something wrong. I don't know. Maybe that feels warm. Anyways, okay, well, so I guess the next up is there is a truck coming with our 28. So we're going to head down to the farm and get that unloaded. Once he shows up, he's supposed to meet me here. So once he gets here, we'll get down and we'll show you. So actually those tanks that we installed last year, so this load of 28 will actually pay for them because of the price difference compared to when I ordered 28 now compared to last year. So in my opinion, I think it's a good fit for you, everybody, if you are a farmer and you have liquid, to buy some kind of storage so you can play that market game. It seems to be helping out. I've heard it for lots of years. So anyways, just try it out yourself. I'm happy with it. Here we are. We got 28 here, so gorgeous. He's gonna back right up into this region. We're gonna open this door and fill the tanks. There we are. So we're just gonna hook up the hoses and we'll fill those tanks. Be very simple. It'll take about an hour to unload this, maybe 45 minutes. So we are full. All my valves are shut off. We are good to go for the season. So he's out of here. We're just gonna close this up, and that's. We're gonna go check out the 806 next. I figured out a little something. We'll explain that in a moment. Okay, we're back here. So let's flip you guys around. So I replaced this heater, and this is exactly where the old one was, but the old one had like a 45 here, and this one has a 90. So the other one, the line came around in just a nice transition. So I used that same line, and this was a little bit kinked. Like, not very much, but they say, what we read is that could be the problem. So we just pulled it up to the old shop, pulled it in, changed it. So we're just leaving it plugged in for now because it wouldn't start yet. And yeah, see, that still doesn't feel hot. You would think that would feel warm. I don't know. There's something wrong going on with this heater. Maybe this heater isn't good, but it feels warm. Yeah, it's hot. That's warm. Okay, so it's warm up to there, but it's getting colder as we go on. So it's like we haven't quite made enough heat to get it pushed up and into the block. I don't know. we're gonna find out as the day goes on. If this doesn't work, I have the 6140. It's ready with 1,000 PTO. I got 7710 ready with 1,000 PTO and the 7630 ready with 1,000 PTO. So it's not like we're going to be able to tractors, but we do. I just like this one on the generator. It works good. Anyways, if it can't happen this time, no big deal. Okay, we got it running. We actually ended up pulling inside. We think there's an airlock in the system, so we're letting her warm up. So we're gonna put the generator on her now anyways and go from there. Just to do a test, make sure everything's gonna run. I don't know if we're really gonna get this snowstorm or not. We'll find out. I'm not too concerned. I mean, they're only talking a foot of snow. Oh no, like, really? That fell. I don't know if you can hear me better or not. Anyways, we're just gonna do a test. We're getting this away. We tested the other generator at the other farm. We should be good. They're talking winds and craziness. Could have power outages. Could be a big deal, could not be, but I know that we say we're ready. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the new year after this video. You'll know what kind of weather we get before I do right now, because we'll be going live in a couple days. I should have already been live, is what I'm saying. So, yeah, I'll see you in the new year. Woo! Well, we definitely got that snow they were talking about. Actually really doesn't do it justice. So this yard looks clear, but all the snow is drifted every nook and cranny on the farm, on the roads. It's been pretty crazy Christmas. I know everybody else knows that, because if you were driving in it, whew, that was saucy. So I have a load of corn going out tomorrow. So today's Boxing Day. Tomorrow a load of corn goes out. So we're just clearing snow, kind of getting things where it should be. Actually, the other farm was way worse than this farm, just in between the barns. I could hardly walk in on Christmas Day to pick eggs. But anyways, I need to move my truck here so Owen can do the shop. Best way? Oh, maybe he's just washing it. He's probably just washing it. That's good. Anyways, we're gonna head down and go help Mike gather eggs. If you watched me live, which there was about 30 of you, that was kind of cool. We were picking eggs on Christmas, and rookie mistake, left my phone tilted up instead of sideways. So when I went to go and watch a little bit, like, ah, damn it. So I apologize for that, but first time it happens. So yeah, Wes is washing Owen's truck. Actually, we will go check out the pump house here. So Saturday, couldn't find my GoPro. It's cold, cold, cold. Anyways, we had an issue. We had, the way the wind was going, we ended up freezing a water line in the pullet barn. And so since there was no water moving, this right here, there was a ton of wind coming in, and this froze. So anyways, we wrapped that up, it's plugged in. But the everything is working good. So that killed most of the day. I really should have videoed, because there's a treacherous drive to go get stuff. But you gotta do what you gotta do. But yeah, you can, like, that was all here. That's my little pathway to get, there we are. So that, you kind of up to date what did happen. Yeah, Owen's washing the tractor. We're washing Owen's truck. We're gonna get things inside. I'm gonna wash this truck a little bit later. Just there's so much salt buildup from the roads. Anyways, we'll go down, help Mike gather. We'll get a little bit of filming of that, and that'll be the end of this video. Just kind of give an idea what went on here. So my neighbor has to park in his field because he can't get in. They did plow once, but the drift was almost as high as that fence, which is like 7 feet tall. So we got like 5-foot drifts in there right now. That's this whole laneway. This is kind of a better example of what we've been dealing with. When you look out into the fields, it looks like nothing, but it's all right here. So there is all the snow we had to move from this area. It was, yeah, she tunneled down. Those drifts down there were, maybe it was not quite as high as I thought yesterday, but I don't know, they're 3 feet high down there. But there's all the snow right there that was in this laneway. She was pretty tough to get in and out of, unfortunately. Well, here we are. We are picking eggs. Showed this in other videos. Oh, little fellas. Have you watched live, which wasn't, I'll never do a live video with my cell phone again. That was crap. Let's keep them pumping. So this machine is pretty sweet. It's got all kinds of fun sensors on it, so if they get backed up, it'll stop, shut down. It won't run if the eggs aren't in this spot. See these fingers, they gotta be pushed up. There they are. There's a sensor right here if there's not a tray. There's little fingers down here that grab and move them down. We got to keep this fed. That machine is sweet. So we're over here, number 2 barn, which is the barn we're going to be renovating, and we are going to hand gather. So it's the same thing, except for here's the table. Grab a tray. See what we can do here. And you just give it. Make these 6 high. Oh, eggs make you go down. I can do 2. Put this up in front and we can keep going. Well, that is the deal there. Also, we want to make sure all our points are down, which actually is kind of cool. I'll show you on this machine here. These silly little things right there, they make sure those eggs drop point down every time. It's actually very incredible. And you would think that would crack them, but nope. There's very, very little crack with this machine. There we are. Everything's in. We're good to go. That's a day. Okay, we're in the cooler. We're full. I don't know if the Eggman's coming today or not. He said he might be, which I'm surprised it is Boxing Day, but we're ready for him. So you guys make sure you like and subscribe. Have a good one. Peace. Man just called me. He is coming today. Apparently my brother didn't leave him quite a big enough strip so he could back into where he needs to be, so I got to go back down there and do one more pass so he can get into where he needs to be. But this will work out good because I know I've had a few people ask, hey, can you show us how the Eggman gets the eggs from your barn into his truck? So we'll do that. Let's head down. Well, I can see how one thought that was wide enough for him, but anyways, we will get this plowed out for him. It's important the Eggman can pick up the eggs, because that's how I get paid. Oh, there we are. Eggman's in. You guys are gonna get your eggs today. I can't believe they're working on Boxing Day. I'm gonna do a little bit more cleanup though around here and move more of this pile. So yes, now that I got some time and we're back in here, so this is Jerry, my Eggman. Actually, he's watched me grow up my whole life. He's been to this farm for probably 40 years, I think. So it's pretty simple. He picks the eggs up. That's all electric. He can maneuver around. Now he's just gonna scoot it up onto this this lift here, lift her in, and put them away. That got to go down a little. Oh no, it just goes right up there. That's all you're taking for today, obviously. Oh, there we go. I just got him on the last one. So he goes to other farms. We can't handle all my eggs for today. He's coming back. Today is Monday. He'll be back here Thursday. Pretty simple. Lift her up on the tailgate. Now, other farms with the newer coolers and everything, there'll be a docking system, so they'll back right up. And the cooler will be, well, same height as the 53-foot trailer. That is the next step after we redo this barn, is we will start a renovation on the egg cooler and the egg room. I don't know if it'll be this year or next year, and then we'll be making everything more accessible, so it's easier for everybody to get in and out of, especially when you got this snow. Like we have to keep this clear at all times, so he can do that particular, just so he can pick up the eggs. All right, well, Jerry, you have a good one. I'm gonna head back to the farm. Merry Christmas to you.
Yeah, thank you again.
You bet. See ya. Okay, now you guys can like and subscribe if you haven't already done so, but make sure you do. Have a good one. Peace. Bye.